In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO on Tradingview. By the end, you'll understand exactly what's possible, what isn't, and how to combine both platforms smoothly without confusion. First, the big limitation. You cannot place trades directly from Tradingview into your FTMO account. There's no native integration that sends Tradingview orders to MT4 or MT5. FTMO provides MetaTrader platforms for execution, and that's where every trade must be placed and managed. Think of Tradingview as your analysis workspace, and MT4 or MT5 as the execution desk provided by FTMO. Now, here's the practical workflow most traders use. Start your analysis in Tradingview. It's excellent for clean charts, custom indicators, drawing key levels, trend lines, and backtesting strategies. Build your plan there. Define your entry, stop loss, and take profit based on your analysis. Once your setup is ready, switch to your FTMO MT4 or MT5 platform and manually input the trade details. Double-check the instrument symbol so it matches what you analyzed, confirm the direction and lot size that fit your risk rules, and then set your stop and target according to the levels you prepared on Tradingview. This keeps your analysis environment uncluttered while ensuring your execution is precise on the correct platform. Alerts in Tradingview are a great companion to this process. You can set alerts for moving average crossovers, breakouts, or even custom Pine script conditions. When an alert fires, it serves as your prompt to review the chart and, if your rules are met, go to MT4 or MT5 and execute manually. Configure alerts to notify you on desktop or mobile so you don't miss your window, and always confirm the setup visually before placing the trade. Automation is possible, but only through third-party bridge services that relay Tradingview alerts to MetaTrader. These solutions exist outside FTMO and Tradingview's native features, so use them carefully, test thoroughly on a demo environment, and understand that you're responsible for any execution differences or delays. One more important note. Price data can differ slightly between Tradingview and your FTMO MetaTrader feed. Spreads, server time, and broker liquidity can create minor variations. Before you place a trade, confirm the key level on your MT4 or MT5 chart, and adjust entries or stops if necessary, so they align with the FTMO price feed you're actually trading. To recap, analyze on Tradingview, execute on MT4 or MT5, use alerts to stay on top of opportunities, consider automation only with a reliable bridge, and always reconcile price differences on the FTMO platform you trade. That's how to use FTMO together with Tradingview effectively.